Welcome students for this next video lecture, that is modal auxiliary verbs. Okay, so there are two types of verbs, there are two types of auxiliaries, that is primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. We know primary auxiliaries very well, and here we are going to study in detail what are the modal auxiliary verbs. Before that, let us clarify what are the auxiliary verbs or helping verbs and modal verbs. So see what is mentioned. When there are two verbs in a sentence, the first verb is known as an auxiliary verb, and it is also called a helping verb. And examples are given. The dog is barking in a strange manner. So here see, there are two verbs. Is a first verb and barking is second verb. So here is function as a auxiliary verb or helping verb. Okay, and barking is a main verb. So it is clarified here. When there are two verbs in a sentence, the first verb is known as auxiliary verb, that is, and barking is a main verb. Likewise, here two examples are given. The boy doesn't play at all, and he had eaten an early meal last night. Okay, so these examples will clarify what are the auxiliary verbs, that is, does, had, these are the auxiliary verbs, and barking, play, eaten, these are the main verbs. Okay, so here clarification is given, or it is differentiated between primary auxiliaries and modal auxiliaries. So what are the differences here? See, primary auxiliaries can be used as main verb and auxiliary verb. Okay, they change according to the subject. See here, they change according to the subject. See, the dog is barking and the boy doesn't play. So the dog and the boy, these are the different subjects, and according to that, helping verbs or auxiliary verbs are changed. Then types of auxiliary verbs are given here. To be has primary auxiliary verbs, that is, aim, is, or was, were. To do has auxiliary verbs, primary auxiliary verbs, do, does, did, and to have has primary auxiliary verbs, have, has, had. Again, main point is that modal auxiliary. How we can identify what are the functions of modal auxiliary? You see here, modal auxiliary can only function as auxiliary verbs. Okay, then they don't change according to the subject. For example, shall, will, should, may, might, must. Hmm? For example, he may, she may, it may, I may, you may. So it doesn't change according to the subject. Again, types of modal auxiliary verbs are here: can, could, may, might, must, will, would, shall, should, ought to, used to, dare, need. These are the modal auxiliaries. So see basic functions of modal auxiliaries. Can denotes ability, can't denote inability, could denote past ability, may denotes possibility, might denotes remote possibility, must denotes compulsion, then will, determination, would past habitual action, shall future, should advise, ought to obligation, need necessity, did not absence of necessity, and dare not absence of courage. So I think you have already studied these modal auxiliary verbs in 12th standard in English subject. Okay, so see here uses of primary auxiliaries. Okay, just we studied or observed about the modal auxiliary verbs and its functions, and here we are going to study uses of primary auxiliaries. So to be, what are the primary auxiliary verbs? To be, to do, and to have. So Sita is very smart girl. So is a belong to be category verb, that is in verb. The dog is barking in a strange manner. Is to do, they do their hard work regularly. So these are the uses of primary auxiliaries. Again, other functions of modal auxiliaries. See here, can it is already studied. We already observed the basic functions, but other functions of modal auxiliary verbs are given. So see, modal auxiliaries can. The basic function of can is ability, and example is I can swim in deep waters. Again, can also denotes permission. For example, can I borrow your car for a day? Again, it is depend. The use of can is depend upon the formality. When you are doing informal communication, that time you can use can. But while taking permission, you can also use may modal auxiliary verb in formal situation or condition. Likewise, can't is modal auxiliary verb used for denoting the inability, and could is used that same ability in the past. Again, could is used for polite request, suggestion, permission. Okay. Likewise, the examples are given here, and you may pause the video and you can study in detail, deeply. Likewise, other examples of modal auxiliary verbs are given: may, might, must. Again, you can see the details. And as I said before in previous video, I'm going to share same PPT video, and if you have any doubts, you can call me anytime. Okay. So these are the other functions of modal auxiliary given. So I hope that you might have studied, or you might have got the information about the functions, basic functions and other functions of modal auxiliary verbs. Again, we have been using these modal auxiliary verbs in our day-to-day communication. Okay. Another part I want to mention is that it denotes the mood of the speaker. Okay, let us stop here, and if you have any doubt, just contact me via WhatsApp or email. So thank you so much.